guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was supposed to be just a regular video, but my audio was so bad that I had to do a voiceover. But anyways, let's move on to the tutorial. I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Reload palette, and I'm actually taking the retro shade for my crease, blending it all over, and then taking Endgame, which is this brown shade right here, and I'm actually applying this on my outer V, as you guys can see, just to make it a little smoky today. I'm feeling smoky right now. But now I'm just blending it out with this Morphe brush. This is the M509 brush, and now taking my MakeupShack brush. This is the T6 brush, and applying burn all over my crease. And this shade is absolutely stunning. As you guys can see, it's like a burnt kind of orangey copper shade, and it also has little like glitter flecks in it that just makes it even 10 times more better. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid, like I said. And now I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Enrich face primer and applying this on my face. Next, I'm taking my Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundations, and I'm actually taking two shades right here. I'm taking F3.55 and mixing it with F3.60 to get the perfect shade for me. And I'm blending it out with this Elcie makeup sponge. This sponge is so nice. I get so many questions about it, like what sponge are you using? And I will have it listed down below for you guys. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Morphe concealers, and I'm going to be taking the shade C3.55 to conceal and blending it out with my Elcie sponge. And then I'm going to be taking C2.35 to highlight. I love highlighting with this shade right here. It's such a pretty shade for me, and it matches me so well. I love these concealers, you guys. Like, they're really like one of my favorite affordable concealers at the moment. They are so nice. So now I'm going to be taking this Fenty Beauty matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle, and this is my favorite shade because it really bronzes me up, and as you guys can see, it blends so flawlessly. I love it so much. So now I'm blending it with this IT Cosmetics Heavenly Deluxe brush. This brush is my favorite to blend out my cream contour. As you guys can see, it blends out so freaking beautifully. And now I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty brush and just blending out my nose contour. So now I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty Baking Setting powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread, and I'm just going to be setting my under eyes with this and my whole entire face. This has become my favorite setting spray right at this moment. It's super pretty. So now I'm going to be taking my NYX bronzer. This is in the shade Tan, and I really love how this bronzer makes me look super bronzy. And yeah, and now I'm going to be taking the Morphe blush palette. This is the Master palette, and you guys already know how I feel about this blush palette. So now moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking Retro and blending this right underneath there. I will list the brush down below because I don't remember it. I know it's a Morphe brush, but I don't remember it. I also applied Endgame on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to be applying my lashes. These lashes are actually Lily lashes, and they're in the style Caramel. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeliner in Provision, and I'm just going to be blending it out, also like smudging it under my lower lash line to get like a very nice smoky eye. And now I'm going to be dusting off the powder that I have on my face, and of course blending it out and melting it with a beauty blender. And now I'm going to be taking my glow setter, my Glam Glow setter setting spray. And now I'm applying my Bobbi Brown Highlight and Glow Highlighting Powder Duo palette and taking a Bare Glow. I'm also applying this on my inner corners because it's such a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. And the lip combo was actually the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Iced Latte, and I applied the I Love Sarahiiy and ColourPop liquid lipstick, and I think this is in the shade, not sure. I will list it down below though. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved how this makeup look turned out. It's super sultry and smoky, just like I like my eyes. So yeah you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.